How to buy SpeedThrone token. So this token came under the symbol of speed. And now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC, and how to buy this token on MEXC. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token with some USDT. Now, after that, click on the search, as you can see, and type speed like that, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see, you can wait 10 hours from now to be able to buy this token on MEXC. Now, after that, what you need to do, click on markets. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token, and click on buy speed. Now if you click on markets, you can drag this to set how much percentage you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy speed token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.